In today's drive-by from Condo Sidekick, we're going to take a look at Davis353, which is a new construction condo development in Davis Square. Since our last drive-by, a lot of work has been done on the inside of these units, which really isn't apparent in the video. However, at the end of the video, you'll see the siding starting to go up to see what the building is really going to look like when it's complete. So let's go take a look. You are looking at Davis353 in Davis Square, and that right there is the sales center to the right. So if you're interested in seeing a unit for Davis353, you can visit the sales center to take a tour. We're looking towards Davis Square right now, and that section of the building in blue is the VFW that the hall that the developer is developing as part of this project. So as we walk up Summer Street, we'll see that this Davis353 is at 353 Summer Street, hence the name. And the construction is well underway. In our previous video, we saw that the exterior had been finished, the exterior framing had been finished and the windows were in, which is a similar state to what it is now. However, the interior of the building is being constructed. Davis353 is 29 units, has underground parking, security, and very high-end amenities for being this close to Davis Square. You're steps away from Davis Square, the restaurants, the transportation, the nightlife, and the shopping. You're also close to Porter Square from this location. And now over here you see the siding of the building starting to go up, so you can really be able to visualize what Davis353 is going to look like when it's completed. Down that street is more residential living, so you're in a very quiet area near Davis Square.